Today we are pleased to host you all students from University of Melbourne and also University of Indonesia to experience and see our BMW business operations here in Indonesia, from the assembly process to the latest model in the BMW X3 and also BMW 2 Series, all under the theme Sharing Joy, Shaping Future Talent.
Again, a big warm welcome to the whole contingent from your university. Big warm welcome, Dr. Jason Brown.